In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted documents on WPS Office 2026. If you've accidentally deleted or lost track of a document, don't panic. I'm going to walk you through two straightforward ways to bring it back using tools you already have. We'll start inside WPS Office itself, then check your computer's recycle bin or trash. Follow along and you should have your file back in just a few minutes. First, let's look inside WPS Office. Open WPS Office on your computer. From the Start screen, head to the Home or Recent tab. This area keeps a running history of files you've opened, even if you didn't manually save them to a specific folder. Scan the list carefully and look for the document name you recognize. Sorting by last opened or glancing at the timestamps can help you spot it faster, especially if you were working on it recently. When you find it, click to reopen. If it launches successfully, immediately save a fresh copy to a known safe location with a clear file name. This approach works best if the file wasn't fully deleted, or if WPS still has a record from your recent activity. If you can't see it here, it may have been removed from that history or moved elsewhere on your system. Next, check your computer's recycle bin on Windows or the trash on a Mac. Open the recycle bin or trash from your desktop or dock. Use the search bar or sort by date deleted to make the file easier to find. Recently deleted items should be near the top. When you locate your document, right-click and choose Restore on Windows or Put Back on a Mac. Your file will return to its original folder exactly where it was before deletion. If you're unsure where that is, you can search your computer for the file name after restoring, or open it and choose Save As to place it somewhere you'll remember. Keep in mind, this method only works if the recycle bin or trash hasn't been emptied. Once it's cleared, those files are generally gone from these locations. To recap, start with the recent area inside WPS Office to quickly reopen files you've worked on lately, and then check your system's recycle bin or trash to restore items that were deleted at the operating system level. After you recover the document, save it to a reliable folder and consider backing it up to avoid future mishaps. With these two methods, you'll cover the most common scenarios and get back to work fast.